The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas. Intro. Opening narration. Hello and welcome to ABD of Finance. Today, we are about to explore one of the most powerful books ever written for traders. The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas. This is not just a book about strategies or technical analysis. This is a book about you, your mind, your emotions, and your relationship with the market. Most traders fail not because they don't understand the market, but because they don't understand themselves. Mark Douglas takes us deep into the psychology of trading and shows us how to build a mindset that can win consistently. So sit back, relax, and let's begin this journey chapter by chapter into the mind of a disciplined trader. Part 1. The Road to Success. Fundamental Insights. Chapter 1. Why is trading so difficult? At first glance, trading seems easy. You buy low, sell high, and make money. But most traders lose money. Why? Mark Douglas explains that trading is not about logic, it's about behavior. It's about how your mind reacts to fear, uncertainty, loss, and risk. It's hard because success in trading depends on doing things that feel unnatural. You have to cut your losses, let profits run, and follow your plan even when your emotions scream the opposite. The difficulty is not in the market, the difficulty is in you. Chapter 2. The market is a reflection of you. The market is neutral. It doesn't care who you are. But what you see in the market is shaped by what's going on inside your own mind. If you feel anxious, you'll see risk everywhere. If you are overconfident, you may ignore danger. This chapter helps you understand that the market is not trying to hurt or reward you. It simply reflects your own beliefs, expectations, and fears. To trade well, you must learn to see the market as it truly is, not as your emotions tell you it is. Chapter 3. Fear, the trader's enemy. Fear is one of the most destructive forces in trading. Fear makes you exit trades too early. Fear stops you from entering good setups. Fear makes you hesitate, second guess, and overthink. Mark explains that fear comes from a lack of trust in yourself, in your strategy, and in the market's natural flow. To overcome fear, you must practice mental clarity, emotional control, and discipline. Trading with fear is like driving with the brakes on. Part 2. Breaking down the mind. Chapter 4. The Clash Between the Mind and the Market. Our minds are trained from childhood to avoid pain, to seek certainty, and to stay in control. But markets are uncertain, chaotic, and uncontrollable. This creates a constant inner conflict. You try to control the market and fail. You try to avoid pain but take losses anyway. This chapter shows us that we must accept uncertainty as a natural part of trading. Only when we stop resisting the nature of the market can we begin to trade with clarity. Chapter 5. Beliefs vs. Reality. We trade not just with charts and data, but with beliefs. And those beliefs shape our every action. If you believe the market is dangerous, you'll hesitate. If you believe profits are rare, you'll take them too soon. If you believe you always lose, you'll sabotage yourself. Your results reflect your beliefs, not your talent. Mark teaches that we must bring these subconscious beliefs into the light, question them, and replace them with beliefs that support confidence and consistency. Chapter 6. Emotions and Reactions. Every emotional reaction is a sign, it tells you what you believe deep down. Anger at a loss. It shows you expected to win. Fear of missing out. It shows you don't trust the market to give new opportunities. This chapter encourages us to become observers of our own mind. To notice our reactions. Name them, and understand them without judgment. This is how we break the cycle of emotional trading. Part 3. The Discipline of Self-Mastery. Chapter 7. Know Thyself. In this chapter, Mark asks, how can you win a game you don't understand? Trading is not just about patterns. It's about you vs yourself. What are your triggers? What are your strengths? What are your blind spots? A trader who knows himself can plan, prepare, and improve. A trader who ignores his inner world will keep repeating mistakes. Self-awareness is the first step toward discipline. Chapter 8. Building Consistent Discipline. Discipline is doing what you planned, even when your emotions tell you not to. This chapter teaches that discipline isn't a trait, it's a skill. And like any skill, it can be built with practice. You start small. You stick to your rules. You accept losses without drama. You reward good behavior, not just good results. When you become disciplined, you become free from chaos, free from panic, free from regret. Chapter 9. Responsibility, the mark of a professional. A losing trader blames the news, the broker, or bad luck. A winning trader takes full responsibility. Mark says, you are responsible for your results, no one else. Taking responsibility is not about blaming yourself. It's about owning your power. You choose your trades. You choose your risk. You choose your response to every outcome. When you take responsibility, you take control of your future. Chapter 10, Designing a Trading System That Matches You. Success in trading is not just about following someone else's rules. It's about creating a system that matches your risk tolerance, personality, goals, time frame, emotional strengths. This chapter helps you craft a personal trading plan that fits you like a glove. And when you trade in harmony with who you are, you perform at your best. Part 4, The Path to Mastery. Chapter 11, Practice, Repetition, Growth. You don't become a disciplined trader overnight. It takes time, patience, and repetition. Just like a musician practices scales, a trader must practice entry and exit routines. Review trades with honesty. Reflect on emotional patterns. Repeat until calm and confidence replace fear. Mark reminds us, every trade is a chance to grow. Chapter 12, The Winning Mindset. In the final chapter, Mark gives us the formula for long-term success. Accept uncertainty. Trust your plan. Let go of fear. Focus on the process, not the outcome. Take full responsibility. And above all, stay consistent. The market doesn't owe you anything. But when you master yourself, it rewards you in ways beyond money, with peace, power, and self-respect. Outro. Closing narration. So friends, The Disciplined Trader is not just a book, it's a mirror. It shows us who we really are as traders. It teaches us that the biggest challenge in trading is not the market. It's our own mind. If you're ready to take responsibility, if you're ready to practice discipline, if you're ready to grow, then this book can change your life. Thank you for joining us on this deep journey into trading psychology. This was ABD of Finance, where we turn knowledge into power and power into success. We'll meet again with another book, another lesson. Until then, stay disciplined, stay aware, and keep growing. Thanks a lot.